Struggling with clunky animations that slow down your website or app? You're not alone, and the solution is finally here. Say hello to your secret weapon, Lottie Animation, the ultimate guide to captivating animations. If you're tired of complicated tools that eat up your time and energy, Lottie files are about to change your life. With lightweight, scalable animations powered by JSON, you can say goodbye to bulky code and laggy visuals. Why Lottie? Because it works everywhere. Render your animations as JSON, SVG, or even GIFs, and seamlessly integrate them into iOS, Android, and web projects. Whether you're building mobile apps, modern websites, or animated UI elements, Lottie makes it all feel effortless. Not a tech wizard? No problem. Hire talented freelance designers who speak fluent Lottie and let them do the heavy lifting. Or dive into the guide and learn it yourself. You'll be a motion graphics ninja in no time. From eye-catching icons to engaging onboarding screens, interactive buttons, and more, Lottie adds instant polish to your digital designs. Boost engagement, wow your users, and finally make animations that work as hard as you do. Save time, unleash creativity, captivate your audience. Ready to elevate your animation game and create designs that move, literally? Click the link in the description to grab the ultimate Lottie guide now. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design power-ups.